In this video, I'm going to show you how to save passwords in 1Password. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to open up 1Password and you want to go into your vault. And then inside your vault, this is actually going to be very simple. You have to select where you want to add them. I'm just going to add it into my personal vault here. You want to click on New Item at the very top right, and then you want to click on Login. Now what this will do here is it will allow you to basically save your password. So up here you can give it a name. I'm just going to type saved password. There we go. Of course, you can do whatever you want. And then you have to put in your username. I'm just going to go ahead and do test. And then here the password is just going to be something very simple right now, just for this tutorial. And then you can also add the website. So I'm going to do test.com, which is just something random. And then here you can add another website. You can add more. You can add notes and your location and tag as well. And after you do that, again, you can select where you want to put this. So I'm going to put it into my personal vault. Click on save. And that's basically how you save passwords in 1Password. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.